Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show how I style my natural hair like this and how to flat twist. So if you like this video after watching it, make sure you share it and give it a thumbs up. Also, please let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section. Thank you so much, and let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and prep my hair with some water and Eco Styler gel before I start twisting it. So before you start flat twisting, make sure you section your hair like this or any other way that you like. I'm going to use my finger to section the hair a little bit from the beginning. Then I'm going to start crossing it, like you are twisting the hair. While I am doing that, I'm also going to be using my index finger to add more hair as I proceed. It's really easy. If you watch carefully, you definitely understand what I am doing. So after flat twisting all the hair, I'm going to tie my hair and leave it for some hours to dry. This is like after 5 hours or more, the hair is fully dried. Now I'm going to unravel it. Guys, this is all for this video. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.